Well, my hubby is coming with the green water tank that we're going to be using for irrigation. And I got to drive the excavator with it for a little while, but my hubby didn't want me to drive up here because I'm not as proficient as he is, and wanted me to be safe. So here he comes with the green tank that we're going to be putting right down in here. We're going to have to rake down in here first, but that is where it's going to go. So we'll be able to have lots of, I have a bee by me, so that we will have lots of irrigation water to water our garden that we will be soon planting. So there it is. There's the excavator, and also here we go. We raked everything out down here, right in the 8-foot diameter, and now we're just taking this water tank and we're going to set it in the hole so that we can fill it up and have irrigation water. This is a big 1,100 gallon tank. I've actually had it for a while. It's been through a lot of snows and dented in. My husband had to get inside and undent it. Some tubing from the IBC containers and filling this part way up anyway. We'll pass some leftover stuff from